When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one.
All right, everyone. Today we have Judge Oakley facing off against an overconfident stoner teenager who acts like he's the star of his own courtroom movie. This guy seems completely directionless, behaving as if the rules don't apply to him, and Judge Oakley is about to give him a serious wake-up call. Let's jump right into it, and tell me in the comments whether you think this kid will actually pay attention to Judge Oakley or just leave and light up another blunt. Let's get started.
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7, and then
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn, at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a ROA for it? Oh,
So everything.
it's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay, all right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay, all right. You got a driver's license? Yeah, transportation's gonna be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate?
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but
When did you start smoking dope?
I can already tell this guy has probably been smoking since the day he was born, like the doctor cut the umbilical cord and he grabbed a blunt immediately. It really doesn't take much intelligence to notice. His eyes are barely open, he's moving in slow motion, and he has the classic "I have no idea where I am" expression on his face. This man clearly seems like a stoner who doesn't care about anything except his weed. Being laid back is one thing, but showing up in a courtroom looking like you just took a massive gravity bong hit is wild. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked if he's high right now. Tell me what you all think, because I genuinely feel like he might be.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
when?
Yeah.
2 years ago,
Okay. How often you hit it?
that often,
What's that mean?
like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
See,
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay. You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right. If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay. If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I can pay for it.
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, well, I did have a plan, but the officer that got fired, he should be able to get help.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC,
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when I've been, I guess he thought he had
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
because I wouldn't have had a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about 14,000 a year, so I mean,
That ain't even going to cover tuition.
This guy seriously claimed he earns $14,000 a year and would have gone to college if he hadn't been fired from his small job, but I'm really not convinced. That's basically like saying, I was definitely going to become a doctor, but then McDonald's fired me. It just doesn't add up. Still, I do feel a bit sorry for him because, honestly, it seems pretty clear he hasn't had a strong male role model in his life to guide him on how to behave. Judges usually don't show much sympathy, but Judge Oakley seems like he genuinely cares. You can hear it in the way he's speaking to this kid. I really hope Judge Oakley manages to set him on the right path, though I doubt it. The kid appears stuck in his habits, and if I'm being honest, I don't think he'll actually go to college. Even if he does, he'll probably drop out because he doesn't seem to respect authority, whether it's teachers, officers, or judges. He just doesn't appear to take anything seriously.
okay, well, I'm also adopted, so, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service. Have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
I honestly don't believe that kid is going to change at all. He'll probably go home and light up right away as if nothing happened, and that's the unfortunate part. So many young men out here seem completely lost, no direction, no discipline, just drifting through life and making poor choices like this guy. When there isn't a strong male role model around, this is often the result. No one teaches them how to handle responsibility, think wisely, or even carry themselves with self-respect. Instead, they treat court like it's a joke, as if the judge is going to greet them casually and let them walk off, but that's not how the law works. The judge is right, he'll probably see this guy again because it's clear he doesn't care. Still, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think about him in the comments. Should we feel sorry for him, or is he simply setting himself up for failure? Share your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. I post every day, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care everyone.